Hey guys, I'm Malvina. This is my handsome, handy husband, Connor. And this is Finn, currently freeloading rent-free in my belly. Together, we're Alivo sailing. After years of prepping this old girl for the ocean, we finally left Marina del Rey in October 2024 and sailed south through Mexico, across the Pacific, and all the way to New Zealand. We've made some life-changing memories, seen some incredible things, and laughed a lot along the way. Now we are back in California working our butts off here. But sprinkled in between the JOBs are some fun activities. Today's adventures takes us hiking on trails just in our backyard, visiting my mom in Phoenix, and celebrating Christmas where I grew up, Maple Valley, Washington. Kind of a fun little change of pace. Instead of going on my traditional walk today, I am going to the Santa Rosa Plateau, meeting a girlfriend, and I got very lucky. We got a special appearance from...
Not working.
Connor! Well, he worked a little bit today, but had a very short day. We got to have breakfast together, and then he dropped me off here. So I'm just waiting for my girlfriend. We're going to go along for a hike, and I'll bring you with to show you Marietta beauty. But right now, Connor's showing me a little bit of the area, and we're going for a little walk.
Not quite the tropical wilderness that we're used to, but it's alright, you know, it'll do. A little drier here.
Yeah, it's not Fiji. It looks very different. So many trails, where to go. But before we start hiking, Connor wanted to show me the visitor center, to show me all the animals to watch out for. There are amazing aspects to the land lubber life, and although we prefer the sailboat and swimming in turquoise waters, we appreciate the peace that comes from mountains, plateaus, and the various terrain in California. And maybe because we know we only have a glimpse here on land before going back to the boat, it makes it feel extra special. Just got done hiking, coming back, and look at Connor.
I have paperwork to do, so this is how you get me to organize my tools.
This is why I do all his paperwork. But he is back to his electrician mode. And surprisingly, sorted. Yeah, he's so organized.
Trying.
Check out what he's done to our van. We got a Toyota Sienna, and he has turned it into his work van too. But one seat for our baby Finn. Looking good, baby.
Thank you.
Connor's second Christmas.
What a handsome little guy.
Used to be a jock. Look at that.
This is what we have.
That's what it should be.
That's kind of funky. Should we?
Little different adventure today. Connor's taking me to the airport, and we are going right by where we spent so much time, right over there. That is A9, where we used to anchor when we were stuck in San Diego.
Feels like so long ago, but it was really only 1 year ago, exactly, pretty much, that we took off from here.
Mm-hmm.
Almost exactly.
Yeah, it's December 11th or 12th right now, and we left San Diego December 15th to sail to Ensenada. Wow.
Many miles away, but not that many months away.
I know, right?
Last time we were down here, we did not have a vehicle anymore, a land vehicle. Now we're back in a land dinghy. Land is scary.
Sorry, these dinghies that are on land called cars, they go really fast. It's kind of scary.
35 knots right now.
I'm going to Phoenix to meet my family. Gonna have some girl time with my mom and my sister. So bringing you along for the adventure if there's any cool things that happen in Phoenix, but can't guarantee it. But I'll show you Phoenix. My parents split back when I was 10, and my mom now lives most of the time in Poland, but some of the time in Phoenix. And since I'll be making her a grandma soon, well, let's just say the USA was calling for her. Well, I'm not going on a tour of Phoenix to show you guys all the nooks and crannies, because there are some pretty parts here. Still, I don't understand why my little sister and my mother have chosen this place, but you know, it is what it is. We choose a sailboat, some people choose the desert life. But we are on a walk. We dropped my sister off. She's going to teach a spin class. I almost went in, but I don't think it's very good at this late in the pregnancy to especially expose our son to that loud banging music and the intensity. But instead we're going on a walk. Gdzie jesteśmy? In Tempe? In Tempe. Right by this river. Gotta make the most of anywhere you are. I have no idea, but the river stops right here. About backstory. So my family originally is from Poland. In Poland, my dad won a green card to bring my mom, my dad, and me over to Seattle, because that was where we had our connection. My aunt and uncle and some other family friends lived here, so we moved in with them. So we have roots in Poland, roots in Seattle. We spent about 20 years living in Seattle, and then my mom sold the childhood house and bought a house here in Phoenix. Well, there's a lot of other things in between, but Phoenix is kind of where I am now. Now, we got a box from Seattle, from the house. We kept it in storage for a really long time, and now I'm getting a chance to go through all the photos from childhood. There are so many photos, even one of these like old school, what are they called? Cameras. We're looking at all these glorious pictures of Malvina back in her youth, my little sister. So just going down memory lane and helping my mom and my sister transition as my sister kind of moves in. They might sell the house. My mom bought a house in Poland. She may go back to Poland. We don't really know, but I'm here helping kind of the transition, and I'm mostly just going through photos and having a lot of fun. And just after that trip to Phoenix, well, let's just say the holiday bells were ringing. On today's adventure, we're flying to Seattle.
Made it to Seattle. We're still repping New Zealand.
We got this from in New Zealand, but it is so Fiji. Ooh, finally home. It's been 2 years since we've done Christmas back in Seattle, so I'm super excited. So as a Polish Catholic family, we start Christmas on the 24th. So I'm feeling jolly. Got my Merry Christmas shirt on. Belly's out. Lights are on. And everyone is hard at work. Let's go check out what this family is cooking up. All the Polish goodies. We have pączki. They're like these Polish donuts. All getting all ready and warm.
It was good. And then
Sałatka jarzynowa. Bigos. Cebula. All the Polish goodies.
Pierogi time. Alvina's shaking her head. Kids these days.
Years of growth.
I already know the voiceover is going to be here. So my little brother and how big he's got.
Look at him now!
Merry Christmas.
Or in
How
Polish?
do I say it in Polish?
Wesoły świąt.
Wesoły świąt.
Wesoły świąt.
Okay. Renata? Dobra.
Grzybową zupę? Yeah, that's where you are.
Chciałam inne rzeczy zjeść.
That's it?
From the remote islands of Fiji.
We're in the concrete jungle. Well, you know I love my walk, so you know what we're doing? Christmas Day family walk in the pouring rain. They're very happy.
You always have paparazzi around.
How fun are you guys? How much fun are you guys having?
Should be snow. Nothing rain.
We went from 3 of us, or the whole family, to just 3 of us. Washington has a special place in my heart, especially these trails in Maple Valley. As a kid, my sister and I would chase my mom down the hills on bike. And then as a teenager, I would train my endurance running up and down and around this lake to prep for soccer. Every time I come back, it's so nostalgic. The boring years waiting to grow up, the heartbreaking years of challenges that encouraged me to leave and travel, and all those beautiful moments in between. Every time I come back, I learn something new too. It's as if I unlock a new piece of understanding of my childhood, having more grace for my siblings, my parents, and even myself. This is a place I used to run from, and traveling helped heal some of the heartbreaking times I had to go through. But I'm happy to say that it truly feels like home for me. And although I still have no desire to come back and live here, I have so much proudness for being raised here, for I believe it engraved my love of the outdoors and was a piece of preparing me for boat life. Took a lot of years of healing and finding Connor, but I'm so grateful that all sides of my family spend the holidays together here, setting differences aside and celebrating the gift of family in all its intricate varieties. So I used to take my school bus down this road, and the bus would go up there, going back down memory lane, all these streets. We found Bigfoot, Sasquatch. Families come in all shapes and sizes, but being full of love is all that matters. A beautiful reminder as we are very close to bringing our baby boy into the world. Next episode, come along to Tanaha Falls, a beautiful short hike just outside of Murrieta, California.
My mountain goat of a wife here, 8 months pregnant.
Will this be the hike that finally gets this baby to come out into the world? We want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day and see you next episode.